Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies on the Road. I am in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania today at PENNCON 2025. Lennis is coming in from out of town, and we're going to meet for the first time here today. We're going to have a blast. I got about 8 kits in the back. He's bringing some in. I'm watching these vendors move in, and I think this is going to be a pretty big show. So let me get the gimbal set up. I'll get inside, I'll get my stuff set up, and we'll take some video. Okay, I decided that if I tried to put everything in this show into one video, it would take a week. So I'm going to focus this video on just the cars and trucks, and we'll go through all of them. I'll have a music video at the end showing all the pictures that I took too. We had a blast. One thing right off the rip, I want to thank PENNCON and everybody that was involved in it for making such a great show. The setup was awesome. There was tables all over the place, but man, there was a ton of room in between them where you could mingle and talk and just have a great time. You weren't all cramped into one little place. And now I want to talk about all the people that brought their builds here, because my gosh, the talent was off the roof. I mean, every time I looked down, I was like, this is amazing. This is awesome. I had a bunch of stickers made up. You can see them in the picture there, Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. And on the back, I says something like, I really like this, or this is a great build. I ran out. I should have made 100 of them. And even Terry said, I told you, but I was just overwhelmed at the sheer talent. If you didn't get one of my stickers, I apologize. I'll have more the next time I go to a show. A lot more to bring, because I could have put them on almost every one of these. I could have put them on every single one of them, to be honest with you. But just wow. The paint jobs, the detail work, everything was just amazing. I can't talk enough about it. I really can't. I'm still keyed up on this, and this is 4 days after the show. There were so many cars and trucks and motorcycles that they had to add tables on the end to take up with, or to put everything out that we had, and there was still a bunch of room. So kudos to PENNCON, man. I will definitely make the drive back out there next year. The next thing I want to do is I want to thank everybody that stopped by and said hi. I got some cool pictures, and just, it was awesome. I don't even know what to say except for thank you very much. That means more to me than anything else in the world. It really does. And it made my whole, well, I'm still, like I said, it made my whole day. It was great. Look at all the people and all the cars. Let's pause here. I'll bring up the next video and we'll go from there. Okay, this is a little quick video because I had to stop and reset. But again, look at everything that's here, and it's just nonstop. Again, don't forget, I got a music video at the end. All right, a quick reset, and we are rolling. Look at all the talent here. And I keep saying that, but it's just everywhere. I mean, everybody did amazing. I don't know how these judges could go through here and pick anything out. I mean, it's just, I'd give everybody golds. I really would. But I had a lot of fun. I did. Just talking to people and shaking hands and saying hi to everybody. It meant so much to me. We're coming into what I brought. I ended up bringing 9 kits and ended up bringing home 3 golds, 3 silvers, and a bronze. So I can't ask for any more than that, because I didn't expect to come home with anything but good memories. So now we're moving into Lennis's. He's a buddy of mine. He showed up. He drove an hour just to come see me, put some cars in. He did really good too. I think he pulled 3 medals out of there too. So we had a blast all day long. It was nothing. It was nonstop laughs. Everybody was so kind, and we all just had a great time. So we're running down about to the end of the table. We're about back up to the trucks. And once we get up there, I will start the music and we'll kick it into high gear here with some pictures.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.